Well, today's the day we mix the oil into the gas, and we want to use a good quality oil. This one's made for my chainsaw, and they give me an extra year warranty if I use oil from them. That's going to be a plus. So we're going to mix up the oil and the gas. And this makes a 1 gallon of gas. Doesn't say what the ratio is on it. But if it's good enough for my chainsaw, that'll be good enough for the bike. Well, before I go for a test drive, I'm putting a flat edge against the body of the motor there. That's where the clutch is. And I'm just measuring from the chain out, and I am 7/8 of an inch here, and I'm 7/8 of an inch here. So I think we have it right. That would mean the motor is lined up correctly with the rear sprocket. I think we're one step closer to test ride day.
Boy, that sucker's on tight.
Well, I guess it won't leak that way, I hope. Now we got this special fing dingle, push me, pull me, yup and yo, so it don't pour until you push down on it. And child safety things. Not that a child should be touching this. Okay, we got a good half a tank. I'm gonna look for leaks. I have the carpet right here just in case the wheel wants to skid on the cement. It's wet. So we're going to hope this rug will catch the friction of the tire and get that motor rolling over. Let's try it out. Are you ready? Letting the brake off of the clutch arm here. I'm going to try this out, see if we get that motor rolling. I guess I'd be going faster than that. Take two. Take two. Well, we had some kind of ignition. And I set the choke lever to the other position, not knowing what Komatsu or Komatsu means. That thing is high geared. My reason it's here is because of the muddy trail. Alright. Let's try this. old motor tank didn't want to stay up, so you got to do a little work on that. But boy, I tell you what, that sucker's high geared. You got a pedal to get this sucker moving. That clutch just never going to take it. Of course, that's what I've noticed on the other videos I've watched about bikes and engines. But that thing works pretty good. Got some mud on it. That's always good. Took it down the trail. That weren't no good. Goes too fast for the trail. So this is definitely a city bike. We'll get it out on that road again though and take you along with us.